We are just 102 days away from the fastest 2 minutes in sports, and a possible future race winner was just welcomed into the world.
Hard to believe it's so close, relatively speaking. Spendthrift Farm in Lexington welcomed their first foal of the season this week, a colt from a 2020 Derby Winter Authentic. The farm says the young horse does not have a name yet because they are typically sold when they are a year old, and then their new owners name them.
Until then, they go by the year that they were born and their mom's name. Very, very interesting, and how adorable.
Cute little thing.
Well, it's hard to believe. We're almost in the 100 and less countdown for the Kentucky Derby.
Can I make a confession?
Sure.
Horses, kind of afraid of them. They're just, I don't know.
So you look at that and you think scary.
Not the foal. I mean, the foal is still tiny and cute and innocent. You know, once they get all full grown, I just, you know, I feel like if I hand it the apple wrong, it's going to bite off my hand.
No, they're just gentle giants. So sweet.
Well, if you have a reason to smile or a reason for me not to be irrationally slightly afraid of horses, text us at 502-582-7290.